Hi folks, well, good afternoon and welcome back to Budgie's Bus. My name's John. This video is, as promised, about showing you an alternative to these big bulky water filtration systems that seems to be being shown a lot on YouTube. I'm not mocking them, don't get me wrong, they have their place. You know, if you've not got any water in a static caravan, or if you're going camping, then yeah, you can charge them up and take them with you. The only trouble is, in motorhomes and camper vans, weight is a premium. And if you're carrying one of these water filtration systems, the one that's being showed a lot is I think it's called Intel system. Don't get me wrong, I'm not mocking them. Like I said, they have their place, but I personally don't think their place is in a camper van or a motorhome, solely due to the weight. And if you haven't got the batteries charged up on the system, you need 240 volts to use them. The weight of the Intel system is just under 6 kilograms. Like I say, when weight's a premium, then 6 kilograms is something you don't need to carry if you don't need to. Let's see what else is there I can tell you about it. The chemicals and the system. Well, the system will cost you £229. The chemicals you need to filter the water is another £59. The chemicals will filter out, this is their own website specs, will filter approximately 400 to 600 gallons per set of free chemicals. Then they got to be changed, and then changing them is another £59. Yeah, 400, 600 gallons of water is a lot of water. But what we use are what they call drinking straws. They're made by Water Drop. They work great. The idea of them, the original one, was that you take the end off, you can put the end in a stream, suck it up, and you got your fresh water. These weigh less than 400 grams. This one little tube, according to the manufacturer, will filter 1,400 gallons. So this little thing here will do between 2 and 3 times the amount of water that the Intel system does before you have to pay out for more chemicals. So this will actually filter out exactly the same amount of bacteria and all the other garbage that they put in water to make it clean to drink in your house. It will take it all out, exactly the same as the other system. So what do they cost? Well, we brought ours, got to be what, 2016, around that time, and we got a pack of 4 of these. It came with 2 of the drinking bags, a bladder system, and a food grade pipe. And these cost us, I think they cost me about 60 quid back then. But now you can only buy the bladder system and one of these tubes. I believe they are £29 on Amazon, and same on eBay. And now you get the pack of 3 of these. Those are £26 on Amazon. So for the cost of the chemicals, for the ITEL system, you can get 4 of these. 4 of these will do you, what is it, 1,400, so that's nearly 5,500 gallons of water instead of 400 to 600 gallons. Big difference in price. The system we brought, we got 4 of these, a bladder to carry water in, a food grade pipe, and that is it. Oh, of course, 2 of these. Way you use the bladder, well, this hole here, you put the plastic pipe on, you fill the bladder up, let the water gravity feed through, and it comes out the end. Simple, easy system. The only thing with these that is different to the other ones is that you have to backwash these after use, which is simple. What you do, you unscrew the straw end like so, get your drinking bag with some water in it, screw it on the end, open that end, squeeze the water through, the water will backwash through it, and that's it. Allow it to dry, put all the ends back on, and it's ready to use again next time you need it. Like I say, originally they're built for hikers and campers, so you can just drink out the stream with them. Simple idea. Let me show you now how we use it. So come with us, and we'll go to the back. Here we go. Oh. Okay folks, this is how we use the system. Hook it over the shower rail, shower hose into the bag, down into a fill, through the funnel into the bag. So let me start the stopwatch, and here we go. There we go folks, that's it full. So that was just under 8 minutes, well, just over 8 minutes for 5 litres of water. There you go folks, that was simple enough, wasn't it? You know, it's like I said, there's a big difference as well in the flow rate. According to ITEL, their flow rate is 500 ml or half a litre a minute. As you just seen on the demonstration, we got 5 litres in 8 minutes and I think it was 15 seconds. So yeah, the flow rate's quicker through that. You haven't got to buy the chemicals. Everything else is straightforward. So I hope you've enjoyed this. It's like I say, it was just to give people an alternative to spending all that money out on a system which is good and it's got its uses. Like I say, my personal view is that they're not worth in the car, or sorry, in a camper van or a motorhome. It's just extra weight you're carrying. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and click on the notification button. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. Hope I haven't waffled on too much, but thanks a lot. Catch you in the next video. So take care and happy travelling. Bye for now.